This will be for the con assignment, Rational Exponents Challenge. All right. So, which expressions are equivalent to x to the 4/5? Okay, it says choose all answers that apply. So, it might be more than one answer. So, x to the 4/5. Remember, 4 is the exponent. The numerator is the exponent. So, it's x to the 4th. The denominator is the root. So, it's the 5th root of x to the 4th. Okay, that's answer A. It can't be the 5th root of x to the 1/4 because they changed the exponent. And x to the 4th to the 5th power, when you do this, you multiply the exponents. That's actually x to the 20th, so that doesn't work either. Just answer A. Oh, they reversed it. They tricked me. It's x to the 5th root of x to the 4th. This says the 4th root of x to the 5th. They tricked me. So it's none of the above. All right. Here we have z to the 0.2. 0.2 is the same as 2 over 10, right? And if you reduce that fraction, that's the same as 1 over 5. So z to the 0.2, it's the same as z to the 1/5. All right, so the numerator is the exponent, so it's just z to the 1, or just z. And the denominator is the root, so it's the 5th root of z. And that's answer C. All right. K to the 1/8 to the power of -1. What you have to remember here, if you have, let's say you have x squared, and you raise that whole thing to the 3rd power. In this case, you multiply the exponents. So it's going to be x to the 2 times 3, which is x to the 6th. Okay? That's different from the other exercise we did. If you had x squared times x to the 3rd, in that case, you would add the exponents. So that would be x to the 2 plus 3, which is x to the 5th. Okay, see the difference? Here we have something with an exponent, and we just raise that to another exponent. So in that case, you multiply. But if you have x on both of them, you just add the exponents. Okay? So you have to be careful. So here we have k to the 1/8 to the -1. Okay, and if we just do 1/8 times -1, the new exponent is -1/8. All right, so that's this one here. But it says choose all answers that apply. This one right here, if you multiply the exponents, -1 times 1/8, we have our k. -1 times 1/8 is -1/8. Okay, so that one matches as well. And this one here, k to the -1/8. Well, we have k, and we can say k to the -1/8 is the same as k to the -1 over 8, right? That's the same thing. And we said the numerator is the exponent, so that would be -1, and the denominator is the root. That's the 8th root of k to the -1. So this one works too, all three of them. A, B, C. All right. Last one, we have x. The exponent is -1. That goes in the numerator. The root is 4. That goes in the denominator. So none of them match. This is x to the -4, which is the same as 1 over x to the 4th. Okay? And if we translated this one, this would be 1 over x to the 1/4. So that does not match. It's 1/4 here and it's 4th here. So A is no good. B, this is the 4th root of x. So it's x to the 1/4. And they just put a negative sign there. That doesn't match either. And this one here, let's see. -4 is the exponent. We have x. -4 is the exponent. And the root here, it's the square root, so it's the root is a 2. So that's -4 over 2. That's the same as x to the -2. That doesn't match either. So it's none of them.